In this video, I will show you how to combine the data from multiple columns including the name of header in a line by line format. And you can simply copy the formula result to your Gmail, WhatsApp message, or you can create a dynamic tooltip as well. For example, if I hit Ctrl C, now if I click on my Gmail, hit Ctrl V, you can see it's nicely displaying my whole message. Even if I click on my WhatsApp, right click, paste as the plain text, you can see nicely we have formatted each and everything. And you can also create a dynamic tooltip. In the last video, I show you those concepts as well. To create this amazing formula, I will click on H2. Now click on formula bar, simply type text function first, open parentheses. For the values, in this case, I will assign all of the row number to data sheet, hit comma. For the format text, in this case, I will type open curly brackets. Now column A is the text, so I will simply type quotation mark 2 times, hit comma. Column B is also a text, so I will simply type quotation mark 2 times, hit comma. Column C is the percentage format, I will type quotation mark 0.0%, quotation mark again, hit comma. Next we have a date format, so in this case I will simply type D dash 3 times mm and now 2 times YY, quotation mark again, hit comma. Next we have amount, so in this case I will type hash comma hash hash, quotation mark again, hit comma. Next we have a text format, and also we have a detail which is also a text format. Close curly bracket, close parenthesis for text function, hit enter, and now you can see we get the same result, but now this is a text format. The next thing, we need to use a text join function. So I will copy this entire formula before the equal sign and hit Ctrl X for now. Now simply type text join function, open parenthesis. For the delimiter, in this case I will type character 10 function, which is a line break in Excel formula. For the ignore empty parameter, I will simply type true, hit comma. For the text one, in this case I will select the entire row number A, which are the header. Now hit F4 key to log the reference as well. Type %, quotation mark, colon, space, quotation mark again, and again type %, and now hit Ctrl V to paste my text formula. Now close parenthesis for text join function, hit enter, and now if I increase the width of this cell and also I will increase the height of this cell, click on warp text, you can see nicely we have a text data sheet.